guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Today I am back with another unboxing series, and today I will be unboxing my February Glossybox. These are all the products I have received this month. As usual, we have a QR code which we will scan to get a digital copy of the magazine. As usual, we have the editor's note, story behind the box and the full reveal of all the products, and then it goes on to give us some articles and to give us a sneak peek on what's coming up next. The note from the editor states, "Hello Glossies, embrace a month of love with our hand-picked must-haves for February. As we step into this romantic season, let our curated selection accompany you through every delightful moment. Whether you're celebrating with a special someone or cherishing the love within, our carefully chosen products will enhance your beauty and confidence. Love, Team Glossy." And then the story behind the box goes on to say, "You are loved. Our February edition is here to captivate you with a diverse, thrilling, unexpectedly delightful unboxing experience. This month is all about embracing self-love and celebrating friendship. Each carefully selected item in this edition is a must-have accompanying you throughout the month of love, making every moment a radiant display of pure delight. Who knows, your perfect match might be just waiting around the next corner. Get ready to embrace the magic of love and connection." So let's go on to do a full reveal of the box. The first product we have received is this photo face primer, which is worth £89. On here it states, "Photo finish effect in a flash, minimise the appearance of pores and fine liners and uneven skin texture, helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place." And then on the back it states, "Smooth a pea-sized amount onto face and neck, applying in a gentle circular motion onto the skin after cleansing and hydrating. Allow to dry, then apply makeup or be barefaced." So let's give this a go. So this is a transparent primer. It has a very liquid texture when you apply it onto the skin, so you do need to rub it in circular motions to get it absorbed into your skin. It has a very velvety smooth texture, and in terms of smell, it has like a very light floral sweet scent. It's not too strong, it's very light on the skin, and I've literally absorbed it on the back of my hands and I can instantly feel the difference between my two hands. It is from Doctor's Cosmetical, and I've never actually used this brand, so I will look forward to giving this a go. Then we have the Laritzy lip gloss in the shade Verdict. This is a high shine lip gloss. It has a very opaque finish and it is in the shade Verdict. Let's give this a go. So you can see it has your traditional lip applicator with like a really thin brush at the end. I'm going to apply the lip gloss on top of the lipstick I'm already wearing. This is what the lip gloss looks like on my lips. It has a very natural nude muted tone to it, and I've just swatched it on the back of my hands, and this is the shade. I am loving this lip gloss. It has a nice shade which actually suits my skin, and it is not sticky at all. It hasn't left any sticky residue like normal lip glosses do, as you can see, and it also has like a popcorn kind of scent to it, which isn't too bad. The next product we have is a Sophia Mabella beauty blender, which is worth £11.3. We have received this pink beauty blender and we will use it to apply our foundation or any cream product. I usually wet my beauty blenders and then I squeeze out any excess water and pat my foundation onto skin with this beauty blender, or any other beauty blender for that matter. I mean, it's a great addition to have because you can never have too many beauty blenders. In terms of size, it does look slightly big than other beauty blenders. For example, the original beauty blender is usually slightly smaller than this, but then I know the Made by Mitchell is slightly larger, so it does vary in size, but again, a great staple to have. Then we have the Almond Persian Sunset Fragrance, which is worth £27. So this is a fragrance we have. It is actually 10ml, which is great for handbag or travel size, and I'm just going to give it a spritz to see what it smells like, if it wants to come out. It has quite a few scents to it, so you can smell the vanilla, you can smell some orange, some flowers, not quite sure which ones, but yeah, it does remind me of sunset. Finally, we have the Ciate Dewy Blush, which is worth £27. This is a glossy cheek tint in the shade Papaya. I am loving the colour on the packaging on this. When you open it up, it is this mini blusher here, and it has a tube applicator like so. I've just squirted a tiny amount of the blusher on the back of my hands and I'm going to swatch it out for you guys. So this is the shade on my skin, and then I'm just going to pat it on my hand because I've already got blush on. After blending it out, you have this beautiful natural pink blush looks like so. It is a very nice natural shade which I can see myself wearing daily. So this brings me to the end of my unboxing. I'm just going to do a quick tally to see how much all the products are worth, and I come to a sum of £166.60. I think this is probably like one of the most expensive Glossybox I've received. I could be wrong, so please don't quote me on that. And in terms of the products, I actually like all the products I have received. I can see myself using every single product, and I do look forward to giving some of them a real try, such as like the primer to see how my makeup lasts all day and whether it does what it says it will do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful. If there are any further reviews or any more tutorials you'd like me to create, then please do let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!